Today we are going to make 5 creative and beautiful handmade Rakhis. They are very easy, simple and affordable DIY Rakhis. Do watch this video till the end. Don't forget to hit the like button and comments below. If you are new here, do subscribe me at AishminDiy, my channel, not to miss the latest updates. Hello, welcome to my channel AishminDiy. If you are new here, I'm Aishmin. Now let's get started. The first one is the Handmade Diy Flower Rakhi. We upload one video every Friday at 5 PM. Don't miss that. The list of the material is given in the description box. If you like this idea, then do hit the like button and comments below. #number 1. The second one is the Handmade Diy Rakhi. This is so good. Interesting, then do hit the like button and comments below. #number 2. The third one is the Handmade DIY 3D roller Rakhi. Then do hit the like button and comments below. #number 3. The fourth one is the Handmade DIY razor Rakhi. Isn't it very pretty? Looks great? Then do hit the like button and comments below. #number 4. The last one is the Handmade DIY Butterfly Rakhi. Then do hit the like button and comments below. #number 5. Do subscribe me at AishminDiy, my channel, and hit the bell button. Don't forget to comment below if you like this video or not. The question of the day is, which Rakhi you like the most? Do comments. Keep watching. Keep safe. Bye bye. Take care. Live your dreams.